Hey there, car enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the Ford Edge 2025, a mid-size SUV that's making waves with its upgraded features. Let's see what makes it a top contender in its class. The Ford Edge 2025 boasts a refined exterior design, an upgraded hybrid powertrain for better fuel efficiency, and an advanced Sync 4A infotainment system. With a spacious cabin and premium materials, it promises both comfort and luxury. One highly anticipated feature in 2025 is the enhanced driver assistance suite, which includes improved adaptive cruise control and lane-keeping technologies, making your drive safer and more seamless. When we compare the Ford Edge to competitors like the Chevrolet Blazer and Honda Passport, it stands out for its blend of robust performance and cutting-edge technology. The Edge's hybrid option also gives it an edge in fuel economy over many rivals. Ford has taken user feedback seriously and improved the ride quality and noise insulation, addressing past critiques of cabin noise at higher speeds. These updates ensure a quieter, smoother ride. So should you consider the Ford Edge 2025? If you're looking for an SUV that combines performance, technology, and comfort, it's definitely worth your attention. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive insights. See you in the next video.